Do it like you were before. No, he's not laughing anymore.
Being distracted. I think he's fine with it. Okay. Okay, get off the table! Keep your hand down, you booger baby. Yeah, is that good? Yummy yummy? Kevin! Hi, Chris. Hi. I get you, Kay? I get you? It's not a picture, it's a video. Look, we're making a video of Chris. He's eating his cereal. You sit on the chair.
We have a ton of snow here. Lots of snow today.
What are you guys doing? Is your brother playing peekaboo with you? Yeah. Hi. Peekaboo, Kay. Hi, Chris.
Oh, Christmas. Oh, Christmas. Oh, Christmas. Oh, it's going. Oh, it's oh, did it go? Okay.
Aww, that's a good set.
It's okay. It's okay.
Aww. Yeah, that's what we got when we were kids. Yeah. You just gotta get the kitchen elastic. You getting farther?
Are you talking to it?
They're all better.
I think your feet are backwards. Yeah.
The baby.
What?
Chris likes to talk. You like to talk, don't you? You're a talker. Yeah, you're a talker.
Talking at the store.
What are you doing in the box? You're playing in the box.